was black and white, now it's so different. Now it seems so right. Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about lipstick. All you need to know about lipstick, phase 1. Yeah, so with me here I've got my face powder. So what I need to do is to take the powder and I rub my lips. This procedure, you do it for your lipstick to last longer and for your lipstick to be easy to apply without slipping, to avoid oils. Okay, the second step, I've got this my eyeliner, affordable eyeliner. So now we need to overline. We are overlining our lips. So to overline, here is the natural line. So we need to go above the real natural line of your lips. That's how we call it overlining. So we go here. Then you need to rub your lips together. We do it to blend. It's blending. You can use a brush. You can use a blending technique, which is natural, which we call rubbing your lips together like this. So for your lipstick to last long again, we need to go for matte lipstick. The opposite of matte is luminous. So we are going for a matte lipstick, which is a Huda Beauty lipstick matte.
Before I met you, everything was black and white, now it's so different. Now it seems so right. Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. To my life, you bring the color.